Hello everyone. Question is a database specialist migrated an existing production MySQL database from on-premises to an Amazon RDS for MySQL DB instance. However, after the migration, the database needed to be encrypted at rest using AWS KMS. Due to the size of the database, reloading the data into an encrypted database would be too time consuming, so it is not an option. How should the database specialist satisfy this new requirement? Option A. Create a snapshot of the unencrypted RDS-DB instance. Create an encrypted copy of the unencrypted snapshot. Restore the encrypted snapshot copy. Option B. Modify the RDS-DB instance. Enable the AWS KMS encryption option that leverages the AWS CLI. Option C. Restore an unencrypted snapshot into a MySQL RDS-DB instance that is encrypted. Option D. Create an encrypted read replica of the RDS-DB instance. Promote it to the master. Correct answer is option A. Question is Amazon Neptune is being used by a corporation as the graph database for one of its products. During an ETL procedure, the company's data science team produced enormous volumes of temporary data by unintentionally. The Neptune DB cluster extended its storage capacity automatically to handle the added data, but the data science team erased the superfluous data. What should a database professional do to prevent incurring extra expenditures for cluster volume space that is not being used? Option A. Take a snapshot of the cluster volume. Restore the snapshot in another cluster with a small volume size. Option B. Use the AWS CLI to turn on automatic resizing of the cluster volume. Option C. Export the cluster data into a new Neptune DB cluster. Option D. Add a Neptune read replica to the cluster. Promote this replica as a new primary DB instance. Reset the storage space of the cluster. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company has an e-commerce web application with an Amazon RDS for MySQL DB instance. The marketing team has noticed some unexpected updates to the product and pricing information on the website, which is impacting sales targets. The marketing team wants a database specialist to audit future database activity to help identify how and when the changes are being made. What should the database specialist do to meet these requirements? Choose two options. Option A. Create an RDS event subscription to the audit event type. Option B. Enable auditing of connect and query underscore DML events. Option C. SSH to the DB instance and review the database logs. Option D. Publish the database logs to Amazon CloudWatch logs. Option E. Enable enhanced monitoring on the DB instance. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is a company is using an Amazon Aurora MySQL database with performance insights enabled. A database specialist is checking performance insights and observes an alert message that starts with the following phrase. Performance Insights is unable to collect SQL Digest statistics on new queries. Which action will resolve this alert message? Option A. Truncate the events underscore statements underscore summary underscore by underscore digest table. Option B. Change the AWS key management service, that is AWS KMS key, that is used to enable performance insights. Option C. Set the value for the performance underscore schema parameter in the parameter group to 1. Option D. Disable and re-enable performance insights to be effective in the next maintenance window. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.